Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we are doing is Churros. Okay, my daughter loves it, and what I'm going to do today is bake some and then also fry some and see how the taste is like for each. So without talking too much, let's get started. I have my water here and I put the stove on just on medium heat, please. Okay, just on medium heat. And I'm going to add some sugar. I'm using brown sugar. I'll put all the measurement down below. So I'll put that brown sugar, some salt, and some butter. Okay. So I'll leave that to boil, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Right guys, as you can see here, our mixture is boiling. Okay, so I've lowered the fire. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the flour. Okay, so you add the flour and then you mix till it's smooth. Right guys, as you can see here, our mixture is nicely smooth. So I've just put off the fire and I'm wait for it to cool down a little bit before I add the other ingredients. So guys, I have 3 eggs here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, whilst my dough is cooling, I need to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and then I'm going to mix that. Just mix it together nicely. Right guys, so I need to add just bit by bit onto the dough. Okay, so I'll add just about a third. And try and mix it. Right guys, I'm adding another batch. Okay, and then you mix it. So guys, I'm adding the last batch of the egg. And you mix that. Right guys, our dough is nicely mixed, so I'm going to put that into my piping bag. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'll try and pipe some for frying and pipe some for baking. So guys, I have my piping bag ready, so I'm going to pipe them onto a tray for baking. Okay, I just want you to see. Right guys, so I've piped some of my churros and I'm going to put that into the oven. The oven is already preheated at 200 degrees Celsius, and it's supposed to be in for about just about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, depends on how big your churros are. So guys, we are trying 2 ways of frying our Churros. So the first way is to just pipe them onto small parchment papers and then fry them. Okay, and the other way is just piping it straight onto the oil. So this is what I'm doing now. So I'm trying to just pipe the churros onto the parchment paper. Okay, it's quite hard to let somebody just hold it for you. Okay, I'll just do 2 and here, and nicely done. Yeah, so I'll do that, and then I'll try just doing it straight into the oil and see which one really works. Right guys, so our pie is on medium heat, so I'm trying to put that in with the parchment paper, and let's see how it goes. Right guys, so I'm just taking out the parchment paper, as you can see here. It's quite easy actually. Right guys, as you can see, our Churros is nicely golden. Okay, so we are taking it out. Just like that. It looks lovely. Right guys, so we are trying this method straight into the oil. So I will just pipe, then cut. Okay, pipe the last one. This one you can't really control the shape, so as I'm frying it now, I think I prefer the other one with the parchment paper, but that makes it quite easier to fry. Right guys, as you can see here, it doesn't really look great for me. Okay, so I prefer the parchment paper one. It's much easier to control the shape of the churros. I think I just got overboard and I just did a lot of piping, but yeah, so we'll try the parchment paper one because that's quite easier. So guys, this is our churros. It is really good. I can't tell you that enough. This is our baked one. Okay, our baked one is really delicious and it's healthy to bake it, and it tastes really nice, but my house prefers the fried one because the fried one, as you know, tastes really good. So we like the fried ones in my house. So you have to try it. You can fry it, you can bake it, and just check which one tastes really good. So what I have here, I have some chocolate mixture here, where I use some chocolate and hot milk, and then you just put them in. If it's too runny, you can just add a little bit of corn flour to thicken it up. So that is our chocolate. That's what we use to eat with it. And then we have our cinnamon mixture, cinnamon and sugar. So what you need to do is to pick up one of the churros as it's nice and hot, and then roll it like that. And then what you need to do is to just dip it into the chocolate mixture. Guys, just have a look here. It's delicious. Okay, try this recipe. I tell you, you will love it. This is so lovely. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, okay, and please put on your post notifications and subscribe to my channel, okay, so when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for staying with me throughout this, and please make sure that you try this recipe because it's really, really good and delicious. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.